Hello everybody, in this video I'll be testing this S-Biner, and it's basically a carabiner. It's got a double-sided lock. You can use it to carry a lot of things. My daughter uses it for school to bring her bag for her shoes. So it just hooks it up onto her school bag and then the shoe bag. Let me just open it up and show you how it works. So it's very straightforward. It's got these clips. Just need to push, and then to lock it in you just push this black slider all the way down, and then it locks it in. Push it up and now you can open it up, push it all the way down and it locks it. So you can do that on both ends. At the moment this side is locked. Open it up. Very durable, nice and easy to use. Here's how it looks like when you're hanging it on the bag. So it's got the clip here at the top, hanging from the bag, and at the bottom there's another shoe bag.